Hello everyone, welcome to University's Consultant. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the online application process for master's degree programs at the University of Brescia. Please watch the full video carefully and follow each step exactly as shown on the screen. Now let's move toward application procedure. First, open the official University of Brescia application portal page. Then click on the pre-evaluation for masters. Here you will find all the details about 2026-27 first-round selection of non-EU candidates. Keep in mind that deadline for the application submission is 15 of March 2026. Here is mentioned about how to send the application. The application must be sent via PICA online platform. The link is available in the notice for pre-assessment. Here you will find the file of notice for pre-assessment. Here, the detailed notice about the pre-assessment. The link of PICA platform is mentioned here. Click on it. You will enter the official page of PICA portal. Here mentioned the admission details and deadline. The deadline for admission application is 15th of March 2026. Now click on Manage your application. Here, click on New Registration. Here, you need to create a personal account using a valid email address. Fill all the form carefully and put your personal data. Write your username that you will be used after you enter your personal profile. Then write your personal email. Make sure the email you use is active because all official communication from the university will be sent to this address. Then choose your password. Here, write your name as mentioned in the passport, surname. Mentioned here your gender. Write your date of birth. Here mentioned no if you are not an Italian citizen. Ignore the tax ID if you don't have. Then mentioned your state of birth. Your telephone and mobile number. Then tick on both declaration question and click on New Registration. After registration, open your email here. You will receive the confirmation mail. Read the mail carefully and click on the link mentioned in the mail to confirm the registration. After confirming the registration, go back to the PICA official page. After login here, you will find the details about admissions and fill out a new application in green bar. Click on it. Click on the new application. You will find the complete index, which are divided into 7 steps like application ID, personal data, admission to master's degree, choosing master's degree, scholarship, attachments, and free notes. Now start from page 1. Application ID. Here, select your nationality. Then tick in the declaration fields and then save the application and proceed. To the next page, personal data and address. First, read all the page that what's the requirements. Mentioned here your country. Then your city and town, your complete address, street number, and zip code. Write the same address for any communication. If you have different address, then mention it. Then write your mobile number. In the passport section, upload your scanned passport PDF file. Then you must declare that you have a resident permit in Italy. If you don't have, click on No Resident Permit in Italy. If you already enrolled in any Italian university, then click Yes. If no, then click No. Save then application and proceed to the third page. In the third page, admission to master's degree. Here, you select which category do you want to apply before selecting the category. Read the notes of pre-assessment and also the requirements of STAR grant and LMINT grant. Yours requirements fulfill which category, click on it. And then save the application and proceed into the fourth page. In page 4, choosing master's degrees. If you get the degree from your institute, then click on the first option. Here declare, I don't have a master's degree. Then, in the Degree Achieved section, write your degree details. First, write your degree title. Write obtained date. Write your university name. Then your study duration, minimum mark, and maximum mark. Here, you can upload your degree and transcript in PDF file, and also upload your course syllabus. Here in the Selection of Master's Degree section. In which language do you want to do master's program? Click on it. Then choose the course you are interested in. Here is 4 master's degree program completely taught in English. Select according to your course. In the last of this page, mention that you have official English language certificate or your previous study taught in English and write your degree title again here. Save the application and proceed into the 5th page. In page 5th, here will be mentioned about scholarship. If you choose option of scholarship in the previous page according to your requirements, save the application and proceed into the 6th page. In the page 6, here will be available an attachment in Word format. Download the Word file here, mentioned the link. Open the file and fill all the form according to your course's study area, hours of study, and credits. After completing the form, save the form in PDF and upload it in attachment in PDF format. Save the application and proceed to the page 7. In the page 7, here you can write any notes or comments regarding to the course. If nothing you have to write, then ignore it. Save the application and go back to the dashboard. In the dashboard, here your filled application available, you can edit or modify it. Before going to the payment method, you must verify your application. Then click on the payment. Your personal details and online payment details will be appeared. Here will be mentioned application amount. You must pay it before submitting the application. Everything is verified, then click Pay via PagoPA and accept it. Here, you can mention your personal email, then continue to the payment method selection. Click on debit card or credit card if you pay from your country. Put here your card details and then click on Continue. Once your payment will be paid, then click Continue. Then go back to the dashboard and click on Sign and submit the application. Here you will find another page. Here, need to download your application in PDF format. Print it and handwritten sign on it. Then again scan the application form and upload it here in PDF format. At the end, finally submit the application. After submitting the application, go back to the dashboard. Here will be mentioned that your application has been successfully submitted. You can also download your application, and you will also receive the confirmation email. You can later log into the portal to check the status of your application and any updates from the university. Make sure to monitor your email regularly. Always apply early and upload complete and accurate documents. If you need guidance with university applications, document preparation, or the overall study process in Italy, follow university's consultant for trusted and professional support. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your application.